Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico. Welcome back to all our viewers, and I want to say a big hello to any new viewers out there. Today we're going to take a sidestep away from vodka. We're going to go to our good cousins over in Havana, and we're going to make some mojitos with some good old Havana Club Cuban rum. Please like and subscribe at the bottom. You don't want to miss any of these amazing drinks. Havana, Cuba is actually the birthplace of the mojito. The exact origins are still debated today. I'm not going to talk about the origins or the history too much because my good colleague Mamie Sanchez, who is the global ambassador of Havana Club, will kill me if I get it wrong. So I'm just going to get straight into making this drink. Like most Cuban classics, they will look a hell of a lot different here compared to what you get in Cuba. In Cuba, the drink is a lot shorter and it's served over cubed ice as opposed to crushed. And I'm going to show you how to make the simplest and quickest way to do it at home. So first of all, you want to take some mint leaves. The recipe calls for 8 mint leaves, but just grab a bunch. All you need is a little handful of mint leaves. Don't worry, because sometimes if you do 8, one might be this size and one might be like half the size or ripped up. So just get a good little bunch of mint, give it a little slap. Slapping it is just going to start to release the oils and the aroma of the mint, and that's what you want because mint isn't really a flavor, it's more of an aroma. And just put that straight in. You don't want to muddle the mint leaves because as soon as you start to do that, you're gonna start getting bitterness from the chlorophyll or the green that's what's inside the leaves. All you need to do is give them a little slap and then straight away let's get some citrus juice on it. Get a nice juicy lime and you literally just want to juice the juice of one lime over this. If it's a little bit of a dry lime, then do the juice of a whole lime. But these are pretty juicy and we've got just the right amount, I think. Next up, we're going to use some simple syrup. I'm going to put around 20 mils of simple syrup straight in. And last but not least, some good Havana Cuban rum. And we're going to want to put 45 mils in per drink. Beautiful. So this is essentially the drink pretty much made. Even if you're at home and you've got people coming around, you can just prep your glasses like this, ready to go. Then when people arrive, just ice it up. Throw in a good amount of crushed ice into both glasses and really pack it in there. Next thing, I'm going to take a spoon. Again, I'm using a fancy bar spoon, but if you're at home and you've just got like a big spoon, a dessert spoon, a tablespoon, that's going to be fine. You just need something to stick in and schmuddle. Give that a nice little stir, make it look pretty. Get that mint from the bottom. The last thing we're going to do, we're going to add a little dash of soda water. Then we're going to crown it with a little bit more ice. And then one of the most important parts of this drink is the mint garnish. And they look kind of pretty. And then we want to get some straws and you want to place them directly next to the mint garnish. The reason for doing this is while you drink, you're going to be able to smell the mint. So you're going to get more of a mint hit. And there you have it. The classic Cuban mojito. Perfectly balanced. All the flavors of that light rum, subtle hints of mint, balanced out with the sweetness and the citrus. The mojito, king of summer, king of drinks. It's been around for years, it ain't going nowhere. Get used to making them, you're gonna love it.